teamed up with these guys at Green Cola, and they make these delicious soda drinks. So they have all different flavors. You guys can check out my Amazon store to purchase this directly from Amazon. And I'm gonna show you today how to make some delicious cocktails using this delicious drink. So this is a sour cherry sparkling. It is made with no sugar. So it's great for making some fizzy drinks. So we're gonna do a sour cherry lime fizz today. We're gonna fill this glass up with ice. And so since it's a sparkling soda, we don't need to shake these drinks. So we're gonna just use some ice in our glass, and we're gonna do vodka. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So I made this earlier, equal parts of sugar and water. Simple syrup. And then we're gonna top it with our sour cherry green soda. Beautiful color. Sour cherry has such delicious flavor. I'm gonna garnish it with a lime round and a cherry. And this cocktail's ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store so you can purchase this today. Cheers.